Alright, we're back in San Jose. It's time for another regional. We got a roll call right now. Look at this guy. My guy. Champ. My guy. Oh, yeah, this is the squad right here. The West Region squad. Here we are. Let's go.
Yeah.
These guys have real jobs. I almost brought the sticks.
Well,
did you bring my shoes?
You have the shoes.
Nice.
Darren.
Well, it hasn't been the best start for us so far. We hit a lane that was hooking a lot more than the other, a lot earlier too. So we both had 190 game 2. Not the best, but really early, still got 6 games, so not worried. We had a decent game 1. We're both getting a little warmed up still. I'm not throwing it the best. Still can only get better, right, Uncle Steve?
Yes, correct.
Lindsay, how do you feel putting all of this together?
It's great. It's great to have this event honor both Tony Reyes and Terry Leong. Everybody come out and support the event. It's wonderful, and it's great to see a lot of folks be here for that.
Well, I'm bowling about as bad as possible. I'm not really sure what to do. I feel like all of my balls don't have layouts that are optimal for whatever I need out there. So I'm just kind of scrambling to find something that's close. I mean, I've hit the pocket every shot for 2 games. I'm 30 over for 2. Steve just 710 and 10th for 250, so that was unfortunate. Shot 460, which also is unfortunate because that's about the pace. Yeah, normally I'm really good about shapes and my ball going to the pins, but today, it's not so good. Steve, he sacked up. He might have got us there. We'll see. I think it's gonna be close.
I know.
We'll see.
I know.
Sorry. Yeah, we tried.
I know.
We both didn't put our best out there today. So hopefully we have some time tomorrow.
I won't fail you tomorrow.
We're gonna get it done. Tell them what you need, what you want.
Your money.
Money. Money. Give them money. You don't have to buy tickets. You can just give them money. Where can they find you?
Money.
Where can they send you money?
San Jose State.
San Jose State.
I don't really know how we did that before.
Right.
So yeah, just find a way to get them money.
Spartan up.
Spartan up. So, we play the waiting game. we don't usually play the waiting game. Normally we just absolutely crush them and then we try to figure out game plan for tomorrow. But B squad's bowling. We're in the top 12 after A squad, so weirder things have happened. You know, I've been in 9th before and I've made the top 12. So hopefully that's the case this weekend. We're gonna hang around and watch some of the guys, and I don't wish bad upon anybody. But if we make the cut, I'm not gonna be mad. Guys, it's not looking so good. After 3 games, there are already 4 teams more than 280 over, and the leader on our squad after 3 games was at 269, so that's not a good sign. Squad equity is a problem. It will always be a problem. I'm not saying that that's why we're gonna miss the cut, because we still finished 9th on our squad. We didn't bowl our best, but our chances of making the cut aren't looking so good. I just thought, you know, we're gonna go get some boba. Uncle Steve is driving his rental car.
And we're going to the massage place.
Oh, we're going to get a massage? Maybe we'll go to the mall. Yeah, we can go to the mall too, right? Yeah, we can just, you know.
I'm gonna get on Bumble and see if I can find a date.
Maybe I'll do the same. Anyways, we're gonna go get some milk tea to take our mind off of bowling because it didn't go so well today.
Cheers. True. Thank you. What a naughty boy. He asked me how I did it. I said, pretty bad. I said,
Well, we didn't make the cut. It was 404 over. Only 5 off of A squad made it, so that's unfortunate. It's my first missed cut in a regional this year. It sucks. I don't like missing cuts, but you know, it happens. We're gonna bowl a pro-am now. It's a good sport, and you know, do it for the kids. So we're gonna have some fun. No.
Last resort.
Obviously sold some tickets throughout the day, so we're going to call both their name, and if they're not here, we're going to have our guest drawer. It's going to be San Jose State alum, Mr. Darren Tang. Very good.
Everybody's looking at me. I'm nervous. Look away.
All right, so we're going to do the...
All right. Yeah, AJ made the cut. I did not. We're getting boba. He's getting in and out because he's hungry. And
And I don't get to have it very often.
But
Like, at all.
we're gonna go watch AJ win the tournament tomorrow, so a little different perspective. You don't get to watch me bowl the finals, but hopefully excellent camera skills by yours truly, filming this guy's regional victory in the West.
I get to be featured in Tang.
Yeah, we could just follow him around. We're gonna try something a little different. Not by choice, but
You're still gonna be the star of the show.
We'll see.
As always.
We'll see. All right, guys. We'll see you at the finals tomorrow.